If you have a small niche and like different niches have different willingness to pay, what have you figured out in terms of pricing?
We've decided to go relatively expensive, to be premium with everything we do in this specific niche for a few reasons. First of all, we wanted to charge $50 a month for the subscription, and we have 60 courses that are under 100. Basically, those are the courses that are included in the subscription. And we have about 12 courses that are over 100, and they cost between 200 to 2,000. So these are upsell courses and ways for us to create a long-term relationship with our customers, because after 6 months, we give them a pick of one course that is over 100. So it's a way for us to create this dialogue about, are you ready to invest more into your business? And then the coaching services, these are 50% of our revenue. In the pandemic, one of the things we did was to do a weekly meeting with me, which is basically a group coaching meeting for all of the members. And it's an opportunity to bring more value to them, help them with their current needs, and also to listen harder to their needs. But we sell coaching packages 3 times a year. We take 12 people to a group coaching session of 3 months. The rest of the year, during the whole year, we take private coaching clients. I do okay with the small niche because we offer them a lot of ranges of opportunities to work together to help them. And it's a readiness level. Like some of them are ready for building their businesses and they understand they need help. And some of them actually have alternatives that are free. People love helping one another, finding YouTube videos that are totally free, and they are amazing. And we want to produce a better experience for them. And so there's a lot of learning involved in finding out what would be something that they want, and then giving them also something that they need, and so on.